Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Walter at the workbench with my old faithful Stanley #6 Fore Plane. The time has come. Put it up for adoption. I have 3 #6s. 2 of them have to go. This is the first one. Now, full disclosure. This plane had 2 cracks on either side of the mouth. My machinist drilled them out, brazed them, and then we precision ground the sole flat. So I've got $100 just tied up in the plane to my machinist. And then I stripped it, repainted it, naturally refinished the tote and knob. All the parts are original. The only other thing I see as a downside is there might be a very small crack starting in here, and I might have fixed it with super glue and the super glue failed. Other than that, it's a rosewood knob and tote. As far as I know, it's rosewood. So if you're interested, contact me. I'll also be putting it up on Marketplace so that in case there's somebody local who wants it, they can just stop by. Freshly honed, keen edge. Cutting exactly the way it's supposed to. That's it, about it. Head out to your workshop on this nice, warm, sunny day. Walter out.